Hey everyone, how are you? My part two of Little Balance for myself after my kinesiology session was about really giving to my heart space and increasing that kundalini up and down my spine. And I did not know, and especially for the women out there, but men can do it as well. Basically, squeezing that core helps to send energy up and down your spine, therefore increasing your kundalini. So, I know this is a weird one, and it's one of those things we don't want to talk about our little, those little muscles. But I just want you to picture pink energy in and out of your heart chakra. Beautiful pink energy. You're giving yourself love and light, happiness, joy, self-love, self-respect, self-worth. I deserve the best. I deserve everything that I desire. And now squeezing those muscles. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And relax. And squeeze those muscles. And relax. And squeeze those muscles. Part of what it does is stimulates the lymphatic energy through our body. I did not know that. So when we get lower abdominal pelvic pain, sometimes it's lymphatic congestion down through here. So in through these areas, there can be jammed lymphatic. So once again, just give them like a little gentle, oh yeah, I can feel where Gabrielle was working yesterday. It's a little bit of tenderness. So by giving them a little pump, you're helping to move that lymphatic energy. You're helping to stimulate the flow of detoxification in your body. Your lymph is like the garbage system in your body. We pop it out, but sometimes it forgets to get picked up. So release that energy, get that lymph flowing. If you live somewhere where someone can do, abdominal massage. Abdominal massage, imagine spending an hour on this entire area. What it does is help send that energy in and out of your liver and gallbladder. It helps energy going in and out of your stomach, your whole small intestine, obviously the large intestine, but the spleen and pancreas. And when you're spending an hour on the abdomen, what are we doing? We're even getting deep enough to be affecting the adrenals and kidneys. So abdominal massage, when a good therapist gets deeper and deeper and deeper in your abdominal area, they are moving that energy for you. Okay, so I'm just going to see, now that I've stacked those little goodies in, checking the amygdala. Okay, so for me, there's an old pain and punishment circuit around this area. So obviously, as human beings, sometimes there are all sorts of repercussions around sex, around femininity, around masculinity, around there's all sorts of abuse and trauma that can be stored in these little parts of our body. So just releasing any trauma, releasing any energy that's blocking our kundalini. And once again, just stack in those lymphatics. Okay, so this time there's an escape, submission, freeze energy, wanting to run away. Have you ever been in a relationship where you just don't want to connect, especially sexually? Like, is that a big thing? It's a bit of a sign that a relationship is obviously on the way out, and then so many people just hang around in a relationship for years afterwards. Okay, and there's also a lot of rage, anger, frustration stored in there. So it feels frustrating when you are not, when someone doesn't own their femininity, when someone doesn't own their masculinity, when someone's putting us down. There's all this toxic sexual energy on the planet at the moment. All the sexual exploitation, all the things we're hearing about with poor people all around the world. So just putting it out there in the energy that these people are going to be supported, released, helped, and the evil misogynists in charge get taken down, something happens. Let's hope there's enough of an outcry that this stops. Okay. So now just raising our vibrations. So for me, I'm going to go through the map of consciousness. Okay. So raising the vibration to up over 500, 500, 500, 500. Raising the vibration to up over 500, 500, 500, 500. 500 is the vibration of love, power, sexual energy. Okay. Enjoy your day.